All right. Welcome back, everyone, for another deep dive.
Always exciting to be back.
So this time we're going to be looking at the Tranyoo TM28 neck-mounted sports Bluetooth earphones.
Okay,
Now, I know our listener is really interested in these.
cool.
Yeah, they're thinking about making a video about them,
Makes sense. They're pretty cool.
especially with that 120-hour playback time.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
I mean, 5 days straight. Like, come on.
That's wild.
So we got to take a look at these and just figure out, like what makes them tick.
Definitely.
Like, what's the deal with these magnetic earbuds, the 360 surround sound, and can they really handle a sweaty workout?
All good questions.
Let's find out.
All right, let's do it.
So right off the bat, these are called the Blackband style sports Bluetooth headphones.
Yeah, they're definitely targeting those active users.
Yeah, for sure.
All in on the go.
So first things first, got to talk about that 120-hour music playback.
It's pretty impressive.
It's crazy, right?
I've never seen anything like it.
So they got this 800 milliamp battery in there, and apparently you can get it fully charged in just 3 hours.
That's not bad at all for that kind of capacity.
Especially for our listener who, is always on the move. Like,
Huge selling point for sure.
you're going from, work to the gym to meeting friends. Like,
Yeah. Who wants to be tethered to a charger all the time?
exactly. You don't want to have that battery anxiety.
Well,
And they even have this LED battery level display.
oh, that's handy.
Yeah. So you always know exactly how much juice you have left.
So you don't get caught out.
Exactly.
That's smart.
And for the video,
Yeah.
maybe show someone heading out for a run,
Yeah,
looking super confident, knowing their earphones aren't going to die on them halfway through.
that's a good visual.
All right. So now let's talk about the 360 surround sound.
Okay, I gotta hear about.
Right.
Because how do they even do that?
Exactly. They claim it's like you're right in the middle of the action thanks to this 14 millimeter dynamic speaker.
So I'm assuming they're using some fancy audio processing to make that happen.
I was thinking the same thing because usually you need multiple speakers for true surround sound, right?
Yeah, a wider soundstage is kind of the whole point.
So it'd be really interesting to see how that actually translates to the listening experience.
Definitely.
And maybe for the video, you could show someone listening to these in a busy city
Oh, yeah, I like that.
and how they're able to stay focused and block out the chaos.
Really highlights that immersive experience.
Okay, so next up, we got to mention the magnetic earbuds.
Oh, yeah, those are cool.
Super convenient, right?
Absolutely. No more tangled mess in your bag.
Just snap them together and you're good to go.
Perfect for someone who's always on the go.
But I was thinking,
What's that?
what if you want to quickly share an earbud with a friend?
Oh, yeah, good point.
Are those magnets going to be too strong to pull apart easily?
Yeah, something to think about.
Maybe not the best for sharing.
Definitely worth considering for the video's target audience.
All right, now let's move on to connectivity.
All right.
These earphones,
That's the latest and greatest.
and our listener is always on the go.
Right. Always moving.
So how does Bluetooth 5.3 make life easier for them with these earphones?
Well, first off, Bluetooth 5.3 is all about stability.
Okay.
So you're much less likely to have dropouts even in crowded areas.
Oh, that's good.
Plus, it has lower latency, which is awesome for watching videos or even gaming.
Makes a big difference.
And you've also got a 10-meter connection range.
Nice. So you're not tethered to your phone.
Exactly. Freedom to move around.
For the video, maybe show someone transitioning from listening to music while they're working out to then taking a call.
Ooh, yeah. Seamless transition.
All without missing a beat.
Very cool.
So speaking of seamless, they have this 3-button inline control.
Ah, very convenient.
Right, so you can control the volume, change tracks, even activate your voice assistant.
Nice. So you don't have to fumble with your phone.
Exactly. Especially during a workout, you don't want to be messing around with your
Where
phone.
it keeps you in the zone.
So maybe a close-up shot in the video of the buttons being used while someone's in the middle of an intense workout.
Love it.
All right, now let's talk about sweat, because you know what happens.
Happens to the best of us.
But don't worry, because these earphones are sport-level sweat-proof.
Okay, that's reassuring.
They're waterproof and dust-proof.
So they're built to last.
Exactly. They can handle whatever you throw at them.
That's a major selling point.
For sure. And I think for the video, you could have a shot of someone running through a downpour,
Yeah,
but their music's still playing loud and clear.
that's a powerful visual.
Shows just how durable these earphones are.
Definitely.
So to wrap things up, we've got insane battery life, potentially immersive, sound-convenient controls
And a rugged design.
that can handle anything.
Sounds like a pretty compelling story for a video.
Right.
Absolutely.
So before we let our listener go, is there anything else about these Tranyoo TM28s that you're curious about?
That's a good question. Maybe something they want to explore further.
to really make their video stand out from the crowd.
Exactly.
Well, that's something for everyone to think about.
Definitely.
Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Always a pleasure.
And we hope we've given you some killer ideas for your video.
Have fun making it.
And hey, maybe you'll even pick up a pair of these Tranyoo TM28s for yourself.
Why not?
All right, see you next time.
See ya.